Hi everybody, I want to show you a way for camera meshing in this video. So I work in VFX and sometimes I need to track the camera shot, but it is some camera shot has no tracking markers for not enough camera again not enough markers for camera meshing like this. So first I will change this to movie clip editor and load the clip and press A and select all. Okay, this shot is the blue screen shot and it has only one marker to track, so there is no way to create camera meshing for this type of shot. So I want to show you some trick to create one. So first press this button, set scene to frames. It will automatically adjust the frame range to the footage. This technique will work with nodal camera. This clip was shot on tripod with no 3D movement, so I can track one point and mesh the camera. First I will change the resolution to match the video, then go to frame 1 and create one tracker, control click and S to scale and track. The tracking is good and it tracks easily with no error. To create the camera soft, there are 8 trackers is required, but I have no another track to follow, no other ways to track the footage, because this is not the stable one. I can track to this body, so only this one I can create. By using this track I will create camera meshes. And to create this I can use soft camera motion. I will use the geometry link empty to track. This will create a track link to the this track. This is the empty, so I will change this to 3D viewport, and this is the empty. It will move the tracker in the video clip. First I will adjust the camera in the proper position. Alt R to rotate, reset, then rotate around 90 degree. It is not important to get the precise angle. This MD is always moving with the camera. It can only move. It cannot be moved. It can only be moved along this line, because it is follow track constraint to this camera. So I cannot animate this camera. So I must create another camera to create the animation. camera movement, add another camera, and move this camera to short, change this camera to short cam, and move this camera to this camera position. To adjust this position, I will use copy attribute. So copy attribute is here. Add on, type copy, check the copy attributes. So I can select this one first and this one second. Select this one second and Control C and copy location and Control C again and copy rotation. So the shot camera is matched to this original camera position and rotation. I will hide the original camera and change this camera to shot camera. To go to sense and change this. This is the runner camera, so I will change this to shot camera. Now I change this view to the camera view, and this view is showing this shot camera view, and I will add the background image, and use the movie clip, and movie clip is already here. So in this shot, this track is stick to the point, but it is not for the 3D. Let's see. Add another tube and scale it down and move this in this, let's say this pause location, this tracker location, and move the camera. You see this 3D is not stick with this point because our camera is not animated yet. So to get the camera animation, we will use track to control the angle of this camera. But I can use this MD because it is rotated in the x1z position. The up is 1, so I can use this MD as a target track. So I will create another MD, so I can place this in any position I want, and I will link to this track to this MD to this MD. So first select one, select this one first, select this second, and press Ctrl P and object. Okay, this MD is linked to the this tracker, so I can use this for the camera target. Select this camera and add constraint to track to constraint, and choose the new MD, and it will rotate because the track tool is Y, so I will change this to -Z because +Z is this rotation and up exit is Y. Now this camera has movement, a little movement, but it is not the one I want. And let's change the camera angle. I can move this empty, and let's change this to the pause in the original position, and let's see. It is you see, it is not stick in the position, and actually it is reverse. It is move around, move with reverse with this track. So to correct the problem, I will first choose original camera and change the speed to x to -1 and y to -1. So this track is reversed to the left right position, but I can move again this track to change the camera, and let's see. Now it's move along with the camera. So I can animate and render anyone in a sense and by this camera, and this is the short camera. So anything I put in here is stick to the shot. Something nice. Down maybe. You see, it is stick to the shot. So this is the camera tracking with one point. Thanks for watching.